Akwa bora mo na say how.
Yeah, ready.
Wow.
So it's free tabale.
Yes.
Public accounts.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Also call
public accounts.
Good. Until I told we.
Until I'm told
very beautiful.
Thank you.
But Bibia accounts in Kutabubia Kokama.
Oh, Debbie, Escadian, say a crown a cosso. And a auditor general support. 2019 DNA.
Demco no.
Great gra.
It's no money for Buni Maway.
A for Boon. Oh, now a dear be a best say, or man will be a yabai. I buy in a year oversight, total oversight.
What shift you come out by and why are buying? I buy no. And your government, I buy in a broad for your government. It's government, you're holding responsible. Young electee will be say on fair near Masumai. So corruption could be out now by Oberfair, not to penny being in a Duma on our recommendations. What because I buy an Amasadi and a cost.
Oh, say general buying a 9 year buying a maybe. I
wish you about that.
Oh, Minia, Mammy and Billy Bow on this.
No, but very important. Say, boy, and come with you.
Very important.
That foundation is key. So, come not something Kosha Assembly, be not or mismanage why. Yes, I buy also. This is not your year, I buy appointed. Why are people not held responsible at that stage of the process?
You cannot obey DC then. Jide he's been taken off. Even baby, I recommend say, you're from court, Attorney General in prosecution. Then a crown, or your prosecution assembly, and not the individual. And what can you do? You're a president, like I say, Nipan or Tiwan, and face ye, my kaba, into me, you know.
It's no man called
Enkoyi. Generally, see here all public institutions here, universities, district assemblies, VRA,
and there are a lot of challenges.
Oh yes.
Financial officers, any mismanagement.
Financial mismanagement. It be a terrible. I take a copy, no, Mamma,
making
yes, GB. Yeah, if you're a broad copy.
Horrible for us as a country.
It's horrible. Things that get.
We are not improving.
No, worse and worse and worse.
It means that the system is not good, not the government.
It's not system. Now, why not your system? Oh, be your governance. I am on me and shift to blame.
Leadership, no problem.
Of course. Now say, we share idea, na do yen or no, ni a TBM hona, President yen or hona. It transcends. It's saying ya, saying corruption, a cost war, or no any feature ho, Nimpenny for the disca, what we are saying, on twink. We are member of parliament. Yeah, can say, a member of parliament. Oh, Shemra, any mumra, a bumra. It would jump into a conclusion, say, and I mean, come can away. You're satisfied. When you're satisfied, until I see a better independent or bipartisan. Until then, Mamma can say, can I? There you won't mean because I have a bunkunta. I used to PDS. PDS, I could see saying. And you know how I could see what my sibling winning chairman. PDS can see. She can also PDS. Again, a scan on GG, be accountable. PDS. What a contract and then take over Nasia, Ghana by the PDS. And you'll be any scale, Memu, and your young Quasam so. Be any because Libra. Here who's saying an amount to and Nisha. It's different from being this. Boston's way. Yes, you are. Boss oil, no, because say oil now evaporating, and so people should be held responsible. Of course, the president, a clear agent, or Banwa clear, and a cost be a your pay. Say, one can't say a flag and I say, your friend simple, they say, Nidini say, Flagstaff House, Jubilee House. You can't just be a cocoon president, Utria, $20,000. I know almost the committee and then correct. Yeah, you're clear. There's a corruption be any money. Corruption, what? Won't mean to know my market secretary and pro in Juma. Name for no so far. President say a young on Clodic clearance and investigation. That's all. Say the president did 20,000. That president they call functional. How is that possible? So what about the president James who clear 20,000? How is that possible? Sir, oh yeah, celebrity. A horse now bet me I can be actually say be a president, but more than you know, Mama Yika. Oh yeah, celebrity president. Exactly. We do not a time for Trano. Now, for ceremony, I tell them Papa ceremony. e man mum na ko fa celebrity president to
we dey celebrity ceremony ade say no dey wuti ho wonya bibia asa wo dey wuti ho
say o show momodin dey say wuti ho o ceremony obomodin
na celebrities ka ho na hwa asa ya osa no bebia obehu bia na president buga eman mu trouble say die so every time president nya ekwansa menya video ya say about 15 times a osa yen ka say nji wani
what has anything got to do with the presidency
na how can say ya edamani mu o ya president obetumi adawa
na say sukura ejai him
yo okay any say ya etimi president money agija ya dollar akosi baby akosi Cedi baby atia pansami
as a result of omina e woman so no wona abakọ bepim wona atisu enye omadwen se nyoma ebe ma yesi kasem atimagina no ebe managina brand ye yenji tusa na mo no
ayi bomofo ne de ne nam gua paso yen ka de ye
dem people de ne gua paso
na gua paso yen ka ho asem na gya ayi
ye twem ko
wona so obetumi aye na ye de ama wo na fe de wa be se ne kura se ne ye sa akọ ye chi ankeye dollar ye be ka ho asem ayi na 3.8 Abraham Hama fi so musa mun ti bi da and about me make that statement say if you can do all the propaganda you want but
we no na Mpensenpensemu be sad because yeah o man nan kasa mpuntu no kam bra mo baji $2 million ni gina and ye ko akire pa o se ma mo ya hwe kwan e be force be si sad na no kwan na bribia da ukuta 346 intino 2016 why ade and ye 10 almost it ye gunu kura na oba Obama 10 abanichi abedu 5
and na bankasa and na they should not complain can you some complain Abraham on position why complain oba no want me anya na why wesa o dey bisa o enti na just e ba ye nkan ho fie o because the thing was like this
and you
say obedi obe trip was say kura me say we e money dey womi wa for no ka say enini Muhammad ya na say enye no eni why the worst and we have the right to say ah na ni pa say ba anye ye obaji aga
we are marine engineer
yes
otia manone a onim de ekoso o wiase afa na nyina ba bia unya ontete as a marine engineer no ukọ mo economy nim kura sese ya ni pa ete so a bre no enye bi ni ye hu why don't you paint that picture and make it say enye road is as
it unya hu say Ghana ye currency no any the west de anya kura wo wiase afa nam countries nyina ye de any west unya hu and I will compare baby
Daniel ni kwatai
one man chairman crofo
na wo de twam keke wo ga da jachia
okay
and say Memphis Central one na
West performing currency and of the jaw
ni kwatai Titus Global akwaba
government juice
ye di nkomo no di nkomo ni mu ye ode bia nam ne kwaso
when you acadians stand like the leopard, he will never change.
But what draw ya jina ba nyoma bebre so.
Mami di kan na mechia menua. Colleague Onabuaka meeting in Kanche. Na mechia wo hwefo nyina. Na anopai anu media reho kakra. I was privileged to join the government delegation to Mion over the death of my good friend and brother, the Mionlana Muhammadu Abdullahi.
Young man, no.
My very good friend, date back 2009. Nebra na me war Minister of Transport as a deputy minister. Any time obeba nkran. Se me nko hunua obeba be hwemi e ministry. It tells you the kind of relationship that we had. Na enra yesia yako mion yako naso meni nyina ajija kobra ni ban sehwio gidigidi ya ye kasa beberebere ya yeken wo hu nyankokra na wotra no jese the emfata ense this is a young enterprising young man age 45 who can ascend to the throne. Unfortunately, look at how we ended up. Hey, yeah. For this year, I am from Menu Ewo Dabang. Baku ya Bushina is more like an uncle to me. A brand I make campaign rounds, you know. Me call Yana Palace, me call Bushina. How many amucha me smoke? And son, me ba me brother how. And the Bushina we I think around either April, May or baby. I think May, March. And I'm home, Miolana, March this year, me call the palace. And Tinyami from currency and from my. Na, what be so honorable? What is it when we? It is over as Sengrafi was at Enchi. What be do was at Dunko? What do we need a chere? Samra boy, Eddie Agura. I'm in Free West as Sengragua, and San Obadu Manso. No one idiom. On Namzum Zap. Who did this? Who did this? Oh, Magnabotre. I'm talking, I'm not finished. I took the highway. Oh, who are you? Who are Disney?
No, that's the point.
Who are Disney? No, me, Casami, Manusi, and I would be as a
baby. First, it should be DC.
Who are you? We are Disney, but Nipa me, Casabi, come as I mean,
that was the fact. DC,
you think I don't know DC doesn't do road?
But
you should have waited for me to finish my talk. Please. It is because you are not listening to me.
Yentino. No, you establish a DC in your quiet. By Yentino. What's in the
rules?
And Cosa, Yakabia,
me can't I send a me park and say, I said, DC, who be the idea. When you government, what did you lobby from your government to do? And that's an ambassador become, what you may not go see.
We wouldn't have him.
But I do appreciate because we were found twice in the part of my campaign. To be honest with you, we're free. Body the Bamanso all the way part of Asanko. And yet, na I was there. Many men now about Makwata Yeniama. Unfanny infanchino. Na me jidi say, ye be boy in because me cause if you no, you are both so a yenino. One ye you do grow no. Aka, woo free that yeso eba engia, Coco Rose na yeno. Ya trim a level quano. Aka bituma yedi bego so a yedi abodo bego so a ya nante so a na bibia to kama. It's so good. We hwe e ho kwan na ye neba no. Ebi ye concrete, ebi ye asphalt, ebi ye bitumen. So she said ho na make no. I was there and I saw it. Enti mesre menu aka say ampa migitum say kwan nye. But ho na makwa cha nche odi ne be kire ho na ya hwe kwan be fa so a. Because you look at Western North, the highest cocoa growing region every Western North.
The Western region.
From Western North, on the Friba. And part of Western region, hono.
Pay attention.
But we are doing a lot across the country. And
okay. Na ka bibi o me kotwa me ho ba me ba afi ne bi din komo na se o si call so attack no e ka dey na
me ba be dey so
dey na wa tro si awan ka
dey ma tro ni ye betra he we use about 15 minutes na dey born anado president na kwantue no wasem eno na che se o se o dey on say dey terrorist o be sia no abomo drama man ye sia no na inside terrorism na wa na ye to abani pa nan wi eno nya terrorism na fedi o me free baby ba na fedi nkobo ho bai inside haya e wakaka moto before e wa haya to aba o mo tisi krom ye him so eku amanfo eno nya terrorism ni bi no na wo ba ka kire say o kosi wo ma e mai shortcut ya wo kan ye to aba onam fa na sodan ko na ba omia e bi dan e shovel dan ko no mu tu na eno nyina kosi mo follow ku say sa shortcut bebrebe a o mo kache ye no o ma wie ba kumpo. It is shortcut in the name na kati short. Na we have news. Na one free betra. You try about 30 minutes ni. Na na do quite otu. About your hotel a you call there was raw. Cruise ni na be o maji kura ya first day kura nya ba bi na. Adom e di akire. Land Cruiser say di akire. No na menia. O how man mu amoma na betra se. Ye si di na atofem no. O mabu anya shortcutting. So cutting president I cut sword. Wa katia be say 5 years ni. Wa cut sword down me hu sword no cut mu ba ko owie. Don't deceive us. Na promise or nam so no promise.
You know,
when, promise ya no dey no why ya
when a young man just no e kasa say ya sometimes
you marvel.
I am tempted to say omu nyina na nyina yim de epede because this country we solve problems politically. My mama just a classic example. During the times of the NDC, everything insurance, everything financial engineering, they do for an insurance company. And the one is MPP now. Is majority is going to the finance minister. Kenoforiata. Call the company, near the personality. So the definition of conflict of interest is subject to government in power. As a about conflict of interest. We don't solve problems in this country because okay, as if you said this is the first time a president of the land or construction land cruises ni hotels also abiana or con ayema. It's not possible. Wow, show say Atame was a pencil, Kufuor pencil, John Mama pencil. Mampenye na just sometimes observers. So the problem is that say yempa ye solve problem no. Mami when ye jina baby opposition near Tuba say now ba power next week. Now Sakofa 60 land cruisers do a Chico Northern region. It means that we are not progressing. What we are doing is that we are developing in circles. We do as and when it suits us. So Peter Kwachaka. John Dramani Mahama about constituency. John Dramani Mahama about constituency. The love of your party people and other sympathizers are on instruct you be as obi any chino. Ebini for land cruisers as many as bare 50, 60, 70.
John Dramani defend it. I saw what I saw. Oba me say the visit na kasano what transpired America ho asem. It because so me say shortcut now or shortcut. Shortcut wa cut no dey work ho asem. Shortcut wa cut ya be 6 years. Ebi ye no. Akisi no na America. Wonnam na cut so. Cut aka say. O dey okobra na ya chade na. Opposition. Na wo ye ma opposition pressure no e ba say ya na I be cobra oh cobra mama
I was here within the Reverend Kwamina Aida me gidi say ye dwumedi na wani je ho ye videos ye talk shows ni dwumedi na de hia me pa ne se na be ya wo sabaka ye dwumedi no 24/7 wo bell no wo de punch so sa bell no punch so biu na some punches you o punches so 24/7 you make any na a share kikro na on saka and follow us and share the page for commenting na so to on ya me share
so o kan ho bi
ni quartet titles global se enfa e be fa ya ba back me kan ho bi yeah
propaganda
papa ya mwacho
and this for them yeah
Ali do Minkanjo NDC the party born into a proud member of NDC
Michano ba Alaji assalamu alaikum Michano brother I don't know people who are close to me be na menya call ya san WhatsApp me Brukum East your organizer you Mpensenpensemu hard working organizer
of him
or sans you if anything assembly member Brukum East Municipal Assembly or assembly member me camp yo jinemu din and na yeso toy mami fa konya we so na member of parliament constituency executive led by the chairman kankam me mom nyina ya
and the crowd discussion
it's many you see the can wasam na who to kwan na mampeni aba edika ko na wo si bebe obada ya si me ma wonda ho a tamale wo hotels ba ko be de ho
morning morning Ghana
ya hotel
if you open morning Ghana
MBB hotel a ta ko pa and you call hotel bi e da
open morning Ghana da
what you say and you hotel be won tamale ko be ne da president kita aso won nsam and
ba obi ara shabula to the
boot na bibia please let us be fair to the president na adi ba ko president ya so many Edu bebe no wa program ni ho say me ntra Jubilee House. I need to move around the country. Reporter yedi bremia to the chief of staff. I need to see the work form. Ama me hu decision me take here. Me hu say the me take no. last 2 weeks Okwapa East shortcut 37 million euros in Suo 7 Navrongo Paga funny saying Chiana Bolga Bongo all those areas 37 million euros wako biano and then so the mama for Oba Northeast one of the regions are created Northeast you see kakraka where development is brought to the doorstep of the people or their call or you on the Batamale and then or Upper West or you be from Ediaba Savannah now or Chel Nyama ya was won't as a go by please are we not in this country Tamale Airport who say was it be war and no me landi war yes be morning airport nipa to kwan here you be free Tamale all the way be Mesiako Sunyani wow wakachi 52 million Ghana cedis sabi enye anukake and yes all the if say airlines no best start some foul
Jesus
what I say you be foul e da ko adwuma and then Rosa Sema ye keken
Wasiro ayi Sunyani
Messi renovation 52 we are
yes new one also
what I say
yes
so when you come and sit on national television
as a colleague you see new one
now we go you airport we
see
what I don't see here no one see here it was a British funding British government funding British funding export and import me kind of kind that you are in parliament
when him resa
yes because we try I turn out channel and I want to kill
no
it.
I
don't win parliament nobody just can my no it's a foreign funded from the British government and they see tamale
one candidate
I've been order with very
meaning go fam
one go from because me prove to jail
on see
Cobra catch it no say it was a British government funding approved by parliament
airport way I no
oh so I say
what
do see please who see from your right when you landed look at your right
tell me see me
you see there
tell me too many right and side me who bibi
now I don't want fra
ja
is what when you fra and this body said the papa the papa no
no but Kwachaka don't proceed national
I'm shocked
maybe try Kwachaka admit that there's work at the Tamale airport
who say work ho
one part so one and then for the first time for the first time what to me the bridge to if any saying in so far so rail at the call 1 kilometer of rail what do you mean how much is how expensive it is I can say when who ye o si who ye hey and when you from papa but what dia na wani na hwe dia president Akufo-Adjei do ye na ye dia fata o man no ye nyina ye wumbi enti wumbi papa e koso a gitum ade anya wo ka yeso be gitum na ye hwe kwan be fa so a ye de be pridi akoye but wo dia di papa Akufo-Adjei ye na wo si wo de wo hu afra wani a then I'm sorry I'm very disappointed and the approach president Okono am passe wo de akosinsie di nachi amade all your de nyina no o twamfoni no e de abrɛ wo studio e de magana manyina ama ye nyina wo ye so and then wonam e feel saying afianya from a shaman runabout e de cut towards Akosomo road now we are widening the road because we shall lost of man hours productive man hours e de free afrenya e de ba motorway and yet would the free Adom eso edi ban so enye wa me senior honorable Makwata look at the road expansion ye wo nyina wo so hu ye wo si we hu ye mo betra na mo kan nyama emfata mo pese beka wo just say
me read something to you 2016 I said in August 2016 Tamale International Airport was cleared to uplift pilgrims from Prince Mohammed bin Abdullah II in Medina in 3 batches of 500 grannies. Flying air service providers were contracted to uplift the pilgrims using Lee's Lion Air Boeing 777 in 2016. It was made by
working kind of
Ethiopia. Who renovate here? And before this, international airport. Make sure say before 2016. No.
They are cost on any renovation.
Let's make sure say before 2016. Na international airport. Inti sorry ya NDC anyanwo hwe na be international airport in 2016. And my refer say we airlifted people from Saudi to Tamale. Na ye international airport. So we developed it to international airport. Into Aba as usual, now the name of Bata. You have not done anything there. And I may patch any upper Google here. In 2016, near renovating Homa, Abaye International Airport, can 208 African Cup of Nations, no, near or receive for. And in the end, say na yakoye bibi wo homa e hwa koye yi na ni po ya ade na e be international airport there homa na credit
na KLM be ko
a international airport. If international airport it means planes from abroad could go there and my refer
Air France ni KLM nyina no
so if even they are not started that it was now built for that because a international airport a international airport it just off
we
free amanoni no Atlantic direct. That is the point. In your fin, I'll way, can say, but my uncle ye so, and a yard many Cedi, a tough and brim. Now, Medica and Chia may constituency for I'm the time in a court. You're branch elections, no?
Very smooth.
Smooth. Yes, yeah, as a can try a papa for trim.
Yes, sir.
Oh, binu ye. Na ya wi no efede be call constituency so
eja ho
yes Mr. Me constituency for say omunya abotre na omu entono boko ya wi a wabi a obewini no as an MP I will work with you until some me prime minister be ba no now no de yanyema peace mra
so your declarations there will be owini bia
obewini bia you work with the person why enti Mr. say omunya ayi basabasa ne ade no near we smooth run of the branches no yema constituency there so any the same ye we yako regional yako national nefe ya presidential and san yaba MPD dey yen ru okra until 2023 and 2024 and ye be ye primaries they say mama for nyegidi kra me ho eduru ha obi obeba bia no wa be wini no wini nti ene na me eja me constituency for na energy oye Cedi no minua no aye the worst performance you can say worst performance sika wi ase afanam nyina sika anya kura aye wura aye te se paper ene Ghana de no enti ebansa na abansa aye say covid aye say Ukraine ni ade na Ukraine war no Ghana kwa na affect ye enti ye den wo be compare bibia you keep all things equal. Say COVID no eba no eba wiase afanya nyina Ukraine ni ade no ako ma wiase afanya nyina nti ye na Ghana ye nkoa na ye de wiase afanya nyina ye sika no Ukraine ni COVID no atua abesi ha odi enya saa it is not so and na me compare na say me compare no say Cedi no aye even before this Ukraine war onti hana eye Akufo-Adjei team say mo ko hwe Cedi fall na air fall no na e die a maybe so when I pressman I am person interactive no who say nya ko hwie na make
because say okra no what team with you know
ati wode
you see ka say ma to ahwe wiase nyina na nya wiase nyina
oh yeah wiase nyina this place El Salvador before there
almost sika nyina na ya ka kura na sika ahwe for mo wiase hungry and almost sika ahwe from kura
Bluesberg so hwe ya
so ebibrem nkomo na
Bluesberg say ya wiase afanyina nyina wo kan say ba bia na me ye engineer no e ho se masai na make sure say ho se masai a e dey no musika no ye dey na the whole world
so ko wani
aya obahene o disturb me say yes enti no ya committee there's a 2019 and you call one call senchi
Debbie
call Peduase say ko hwe Cedi nu a air fall mu that time Ukraine ni ayi Ukraine na ekonaba na Cedi follow that time and I follow na omo bo honslamani ye di gina ayi so covid so bon samrane ni e di huska ayi covid skai ya jiska World Bank ameska IMF ameska Ghana for titi sika de man o ma account for and kra boa government COVID time say Cedi no depreciate COVID time the Cedi was stable because we had a lot of influence after COVID And if the plane bam, President Auntie Jaffa plane on name room. Ye come every 1 hour. Ye 20,000 pounds. Ye can't no way. Ni papa so ntie. Plane or the sea no the qua the sea. Sanse pound a obeda. Adware wo mu a obedware mu. No say sikai. Ye nyina ha. Ena ye beto aba. E say high plane. They go for adwasafo. Your man $120,000. These are some of the things I I'm a sick and I say. Anyone loans ye can offer city okay, can offer ata on no broker, no a jenny percentage. Na a good in 20 years, so far as I on no percentage, no sounds yet a finance minister no. Or Pepsi a bubble siansa, the Babobiano, no a jenny 10% a good accounts. And Bossiano, whether we had need for it or not, near Kobo. Ya bomb a fed is a Bossiana mini debt to GDP ratio, is a Drew say. Mama time I think 57%. Almost see and T bida. And I said you drew 90 something. Just in twin Tia cano. What Bobosia, Chiradia or the Bossia. And now me a watching you, me and for Ukraine near you war. Because Bobosia no one find yet idea and who for so about between the tria. A Canada hotel. Mahama Bobosia or the sea airport. And the airport your ratings are the best in Africa. Oh, for Mpensenpensemu, Ampo COVID by who tell us almost GHC10 to be a normally a tester, Omojihuska, oh, by $100 near G. Scare no FFI. Me on question airport no. Within that period, now COVID by no. What be able to be near the Apimo? And then we try where the war, you know. Just say, whoosh, your bedjo. Clearly, crowd America, hono, your Jew and son, or your waffle plane. So Ghana government say, a do tears can COVID a test. Wabra a ye test na san ya mwafu play no. Ghana say we bedru ha da ye test. Ya juice ka. Ska mo ye millions of dollars. E wo hefa. Mahama no see sa airport na e ho ban fa so mo mkroma dibi. University of Ghana Medical Center breakdown na me work. Wala hwe ade esi.
Very beautiful.
Very beautiful. Anka chese e be terminal ayo a tertiary hospital. Yare akase kidney, heart, lungs near the no and you the whole of Africa no and can broach for Krabeba abe na catch us me bana kan ho asem no o me yes no mra no me physiology the students near the no oh we ni the sikaba nka bo hu sika e benya health tourism sika e benya na wo mu no nti busia na obo de asa de no
fa so do so
fa so na eba na wo de atuaka wo yes abo busia na enya ya na wo de yan kira dia bosia bebebe no oboy ya odi aye
ya kwan
agenda 111 no kira me agenda 111 no kira me ayi hospital now cancer first no say 85 yes sir
you say call 111
yes say call 111 kira me one na
so no president call
boss sword best 5 years now kai no e fe no da so boss sword
e be saba ye kwaba. Well, Yasaba, Damina, Mamencha in your paying Vaughn. Vaughn, baby, I'll be a good morning to you. Also, Ajibra, also, baby. Thank you so much, Vaughn. Now, it's a birthday message. Quickly, and come Sandra Akos Abel or Agbogba. Vaughn, and I see another pay.
There's a topic now about Cedi dollar. Said your dollar, no, I see a coffee.
Cedi na kofemo nya dollar
kwachi aka
kana dollar na kofemo
Cedi na kofemo
dollar na pejani
ntame kwante
na mepese anka ombo ahwefo. You see, we need to diagnose what the problem is coming from. Yes, a traffic is what and as ye jegumza. One major concern as a kind of dia kofom is importation of petroleum products. And then I make kasa. As of last year, Honorable, as of June 2021, petroleum products, same year, fine finished products, $1.2 billion. $1.2 billion. 2022 June, I cost through $2.3 billion. Finished products, I know he has the data, but on Kanu Krano, The price of the crude has increased from $64 a barrel to $118 a barrel. And Jabana Sanwa, Sikana the Cedi na, the copper dollar no, Edako Crabanozo, Ebekano. So we share the volume of dollars na yedi kokra adi di banwa. It put pressure on the city. And the dollar kakra wo no nyina no na ye betam no nyina no ye de krenema wenia na edi aba. After we share euro bonds, the amateur I will see a track out. Some that want to even arrange for extension. Said the obenya room bia obetumi anya ho kakra. Edu be bia sa. So you have to pay. Or say we are paying it. And the presenting at the end of the day, I go for the car buy no we are no or no can the wall. A car won't give no, a be more mature. It is our duty, yet the Jawa need the swap. And they will say a tracker. Maybe Saka said your mama need prosa mills, a call that to me and tracker. So stop making that in yondos. And some of can say, ya jacka, ya copeka that to please. Say a car and nobody shy. That's the heavy papa. Muko sabin kasa. Fumodi hello.
Okay, it's true. It's true.
Who can you mitre?
It's true. I agree with you.
Enti say a car and a young fa. Na say heavy papa the person from Batao. Hey, Sani Akono. And clearly there's a challenge. And the Badwam Bank of Ghana or Boa Amedia Abuayeno is about the purchase of gold with our local currencies. Local mining companies don't export gold in Yano. You better so that it can show up your city noa, you walk Romano, a beboy. After some BoG importing companies in Yano, your mom platform said the Omeding, Omotuscano, Edia Fay and Jane, Nediaco. Comrade Badwam long time a beboy ye papa. And when Mpensenpensemu Napukasa, Mihuna make catcher. Everything possible was a buying a year on from bottom or refining. Yabuano. Nanse me share social media. Means on the new furnace be a boy papa over $73 million. Say euros how many years had you know pa. And the tomorrow refining ye juma finished products na ye credit bano esobete. Because growing up in Tama, refinery no a year shutdown maintenance. Say almost share no stocks almost war tanks in ya air. Then they invite the OMCs no mon crebi no for account. So that they can make up with the time of maintenance.
Toll and boss, yeah, effective.
So that's here. All these things, it will come down. And the message no form in call. I know they are doing a lot of things over there. Now, Yama refining no MPJ no yejuma. Refining ye juma. Pressure ye kain no ebe boy. They toss you beam so. Ye take remano, cobre. Ye pa at the broford ye doto.
You taste, you know.
It's the exotic things that would consume in this country. It's too much. I did be a Amika. Kwache and use a Colgate what me Pepsodent Nancy Azid be any fefra and no be an use me I don't use any foreign soap me nyami geisha me nyami kiso and none me do good me come in. The more you consume these foreign products, the more you are creating jobs in their countries. Any of the problems in your idea brain, but me can't wait at their share in your say yes, we are in tough times. President to admit it, say our tough times. A Quembia or Yanshibia or
the say politician be say we are in tough times. Only himself we are in tough times.
But you know, so them politics.
Only himself we are in tough times.
All your politics,
somebody has to solve it.
So understand? So Allah has to solve it.
So power of solving this kind of problem. We are in tough times. Ukwa man on to fool say.
Kobra?
Uja ketuahi. Uja ketuahi.
Ukwa man to fool say.
Uja ketuahi. Amona no uja ketuahi.
But ukwa man to fool say.
Kobra.
Kwachaka.
It just a high cheap.
Kobra.
Koswe. O de biara obe no
trouble.
Akatua na omogino ho bi ne ye gino ha.
Kokwaka. Media di.
Okay, Koso.
Kobra, we are not in normal time.
We are not.
And Mpensenpensemu say we are not in normal time.
The fact that Mpensenpensemu does not mean that we are not in normal time. Whilst other presidents and heads of states are adjusting the welfare of their citizens, Boko the mono with impunity. Monyoma bebramo ye no kwan esa share bufu bokasa bebramo no esa whilst we are adjusting because we know times are not normal.
I am a communicator of government. na asema wo kai when you show you tie so those who are directly in charge who omo a na mba fidie so a kesi omanim. I don't control anything. The worst I can say is that speak what I've been asked to come and communicate with the people of this country. What I say, wo kaswa me you say wo kaswa makasa no ento form. And kan kasa be shama for bufu. Because there's a lot of pressure on the ground. Me tough one be. Because me trika. Na se me trika dia timemufo na fa muso me fambi. Na se me ba wo fidie so anaska me ko fidie fifro so na se be kasa. E wo se me kasa no e wo form. Me share mo call back me make up no. Only me kasa honorable. Tell your people to come down. When they are communicating to Ghanaians, they should be considerate. Odi be beka say bia be o tinti who pressure na from yet ase. I understand the heat and the ebesere. Kwan bia o mampeni eni na pamfo no you are ebe boyen am ye free sa him. We'll do it.
All right. So Tachimens as your Central Region PP secretary. O say won send be ho a eyi wa ama.
Okay. Say bomofo ne de ne nam gu apa. It is say mam me on pese e kan. Nya about me no kan say if you can do all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are wrong, the exchange will expose you. You no kan. Na any refer na o say the make kan yi me ma. And yet
the NDC MP in your studio is saying things to indict himself as an MP. That even when there is no need for a loan, then Kenofurata is going for it because of a so-called percentage cut. Can he tell us a particular loan that there was no need for it, yet Kenofurata brought it to Parliament and got approved? Is there any loan agreement that Kenofurata brought to Parliament that he did not state the purpose of which that loan was being
and which loans are brought that there's no intention for the loan?
You know.
So see what Parliament and you're ignorant.
Ibrahim Musa Obama or NDC or short.
Yes, okay.
Or say or Draso. Juma Obono de
okay, at least more balance no. Faja ka what some be je de bugu e sun ko.
So kai de on the ground. Yeah, we now say dey na dey. Who see afro ko uni on ni gina no. Na obo yem sa.
Obo yem sa. Enti ma me chia me nana me papa wo wasa sikuma.
Okay, yes we are.
Yeah, sikuma hene.
All right.
Or Wasaman Insider newspaper bi enti
okay, so at the pump season 2, Amara say afunino no push it until we get there. Thank you so much for watching.
Na mama ye wi.
Onyabe the chair.